This how-to video shows you how to overcome the 6-pulse drive or turbo core compressor components limit in MyDrive Harmonics. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll showcase them here. The first method applies when the drives are of the same type and specifications. In this case, you can simply use the quantity field. Let's create a default project and set the LV bus bars as the measurement point. Next, navigate to the 6-pulse group. Let's imagine we want to add 8 6-pulse drives to this system. When we add all 8, you'll notice an error message indicating there are too many components in the system. We can easily overcome this limit by removing the extra drives and updating the quantity field in the first drive to 8. This works exactly the same as having 8 separate copies, and you'll see that this setup is perfectly fine to simulate. Another approach can be used when you have more than 6 different drive instances. Let's add 8 drives of different sizes to the system. You'll notice an error message again indicating there are too many components in the system. Let's delete these drives and create a bundle as shown here. Then, we'll add the drives to the bundle. This way, the bundle only uses 1 slot in the simulation instead of 8, treating it as a single combined drive. The result will therefore apply to the bundle as a whole, not to each individual drive. And you'll see that this setup is perfectly fine to simulate. The final approach is to create a medium voltage system. To do this, you'll need the premium version of MyDrive Harmonics and be logged in. To purchase the premium license, please go to suite.mydrive.danfoss.com. Create a medium voltage system, again using the LV bus bar as the measurement point. You'll now see 2 load groups, T11 and T12. Each group can contain up to 6 drives. By connecting them, both groups are fed through a single transformer. With this approach, you can have 12 different drives in the same system, 6 in T11 and 6 in T12. Let's add some drives to the 2 load groups. Back on the system screen, you'll see that even with 12 drives added, there are no errors, which means you can run this simulation without any issues. And you will get individual results for all these drives. This concludes this video, where we have explored 3 different ways to overcome the limit of 6 drives in MyDrive Harmonics. 1. Using the quantity field for identical drives. 2. Creating a bundle to group multiple drives as one. 3. Setting up a medium voltage system with 2 load groups, allowing up to 12 drives. Each method ensures flexibility and accurate simulation without errors. Choose the approach that best fits your system design and keep your harmonics analysis efficient and reliable.